Are you a small business owner feeling disconnected from your future plans? Have you been struggling to turn your small business into an asset that supports your retirement? It's time to take control of your path and work towards securing your future with our groundbreaking program tailored specifically for small businesses. We understand that building a business is about more than just counting profits. It's about creating a legacy that promotes financial stability and freedom for years to come. That's why our Cash In on Your Business program is here to help you turn your dreams and goals into a reality. We will work with you hand in hand to identify your current state, map out your path to success, and provide you with the guidance you need to make the right decisions for your business and retirement. Imagine defining your desired income and lifestyle, aligning your values with your actions, and creating a strategic plan to maximize your business's value. Our expert team will also show you how to enhance your business systems and marketability, ensuring a smooth and lucrative exit plan when the time comes. But we don't stop there. That's why we offer continuous support throughout the process. Sign up now to begin unlocking the potential of your business as an asset for your retirement, and join the countless small business owners who have already transformed their businesses with the Cash In on Your Business program. Scan the QR code or follow the link at the end of the video to sign up today. Your future self will thank you. The 6-week workshop begins on Tuesday, July 16th, and each call is 75 minutes long. The workshop also includes 3 additional as-needed 1-hour support calls. These are a great opportunity for participants who may have additional questions or need extra support.